Well, good morning, second graders. That's right. It's your girl, Miss Samuels, coming to you live from my new classroom. I'm so excited about today's lesson. We are going to be focusing on comparing numbers. That's right. You heard me. Comparing numbers. At the end of this lesson, I want you to take all the information that you've learned and share it with your family members, share it with one of your friends through FaceTime, or even your stuffed animals. I want you to be that teacher and share the good news about comparing numbers. So let's get started. In order for us to compare numbers, the first thing I want us to do is I want us to represent our numbers using place value disc. Well, let me ask you this. Where do place value discs belong? That's right, on a place value chart. So Miss Samuels whipped up two place value charts. Okay, I have my hundreds place, my tens, and my ones. So we're going to compare the numbers. Got to make sure my work is very neat. Okay, so we're going to compare the numbers 342 to 346. Now, does this look neat to you? No, it doesn't look neat. Remember, your work is a reflection of you. So Miss Samples is going to do that again because I don't like how that looked at all. Wow, that looks so much better. So some of you all may have the answer already, but I want you to prove your answer. And you're going to prove it using your place value disc. So let's represent the number. In the number 342, how many hundreds do I have? That's right, 3. So I'm going to draw 3 place value discs. 1, 2, 3. How many tens do I have? That's right, I have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many ones do you have? 2. Am I done? That's right. It's always important to check over your work to make sure that you did everything correctly. I have 3 hundreds, 4 tens, and 2 ones. All right, let's keep it moving. 346, I have how many hundreds? That's right, 3 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. How many tens do I have? Let's see, 4. That's right, you got it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many ones? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to count. I have 4, 6. That's right. Let me ask you something. If I have 4 tens, what is the value of that? 4 tens equals what number? That's right, 40. I'm just making sure you're paying attention. All right, let's get comparing. So in order to compare numbers, what place value should we start with? Absolutely. You're always going to start with the greatest place value. So the greatest place value that we have here is our hundreds. Okay, so my first number, I have 3 hundreds. Well, what do you know? In my second number, I have 3 hundreds. Do I just stop there? No. Turn to your neighbor and say, keep it moving. I'm going to go to the second place value, which is my tens. I have 4 tens here. Well, what do you know? I also have 4 tens there. What do I do? Keep it moving. All right. In this number, I have 2 ones. And in this number, I have 6 ones. That's right. 6 is greater than 2. So that means that the number 342 is less than 346. Or I could say 346 is greater than 342. I'm going to represent which number is the greater using a symbol. And the symbol is going to open up to the number that is greater. Does everyone see that? So let's do a little review. When you're comparing numbers, Represent the number using place value discs used on a place value chart. It gives you a great visual to actually see the numbers and really compare them. Then start with your greatest place value, which in this case is your hundreds. Take your time, check your work if there's no rush, and then the number that is greater, I want you to use the symbol and it will open wide to that number. I hope this video helps some of you all. Remember, if you have any questions, Miss Samuels is only a phone call or email away. I'm proud of each one of you all. I miss you so much, and remember, the best is yet to come.